The company Kinera, they've released a new earphone. This is their URD Tribrid earphone. It features 5 drivers, very cool 5 drivers. You get dual Sonion EST drivers, dual dynamic drivers, and one balanced armature. It's the first time an IEM features a 3D printed stereoscope faceplate design. Kinera is very known for their beautiful designs for their IEMs, and this one is no exception. It really does look beautiful. Looks is its main selling thing. Normally other companies don't take looks into consideration, but Kinera does. They do put out beautiful looking IEMs. They take their time to make it, and they take their time to put it out. So it's really nice to see this. In terms of every other thing, it does come with a high quality cable. It comes with a 6N silver plated gold looking cable, so it looks as premium as you can expect it to be. Spec wise, I think it's really nice. And now in terms of price, before we go down spec, it's not cheap. It's $650. You have to spend the money to get this. This is one of those higher end products that you have to pay some money to get. You get an impedance on this for 20 ohms. It has a sensitivity of 107 decibels. It is not that easy to power. Basically, you still need a decent amount of amplification to get this to sound its best. So you need a DAC or a DAP. So it's definitely going to be very cool for audiophiles to get this. And there are other colors. You can get it in other colors, and there are other colors you can get it in. And the cable itself would also come with a termination. So if you don't like the termination that you are using, you can swap it out for another type of termination that you like. So it's a beautiful looking IEM. It has a very good packaging, and it's looking interesting. Now tuning will be the only make or break for this earphone. If the tuning is within what people would like, I think it will be a success. It's not the most expensive earphone, $650. It's still a little bit of money, but I think it's something that a lot of people can swallow, especially if the tuning is fantastic. So I will leave all the specs and where you can get it from in the description. If you're interested, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.